Can you link or upload assets to populate the tables from products like Armis, Centrix, or ServiceNow CMDB? The answer is yes, as long as you can export in some fashion into CSV. I haven't done this with Armis, but I have done this with ServiceNow. You literally just get an export. So one of two options: you either export via CSV from those platforms and then run the import basically like I demoed today. And I have a lot more context on this in the course, by the way. So if you wanted to check that out, click the link. It's free. I kind of go over that way, way more in depth. But once you export, you import CSV. The other option is API. And there's either tools you could use for this that are kind of pre-built and meant to do these moves for you. Those I would only recommend if you have a very, very large number of assets coming over, like maybe 100,000 plus, I would say, maybe 50,000 plus assets. At that point, maybe it makes sense to use API. Otherwise, CSV is probably going to be your best option. But when coming from platforms like ServiceNow, those are usually very robust and have a very large amount of assets associated with them. So go for one of those options. I would try the CSV export first. You could always test import a sample or small piece of that data to see how it comes over. And then if you need to, go to the API version of the imports. The biggest Jira mistake I see being made is when teams try to achieve a goal by implementing Jira, but they miss the execution layer. This is the thing that allows you to achieve your goals inside of your tool layer. And if you're curious how we implement the grid operating system with our clients, hit the first link in the description below.